In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Basecamp email notifications. Navigating through Basecamp settings can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when your inbox is flooded with constant updates. So let's take a few minutes to streamline your notifications, ensuring you only receive the most important updates. Start by locating your avatar in the top right corner of the Basecamp interface. This is your profile picture, and it's essentially your gateway to personal settings. Once there, go ahead and give it a click. This action opens up a drop-down menu, offering a variety of options related to your account and preferences. From this menu, you're going to look for the option labeled Change Your Notification Settings. Select this, and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to managing how, when, and which notifications you receive. This is where you can really tailor the notification experience to suit your needs. Now let's focus on the section specifically for email notifications. Here, you have a couple of important choices to make. If you're someone who values staying informed about every aspect of the project, you might choose to receive all notifications. This includes messages, to-dos, events, comments, and more. But sometimes, less is more. If you want to reduce the volume of emails without missing crucial updates, consider opting for notifications only for pings and at mentions. This way, you'll get an email only when something directly involves you, significantly cutting down on unnecessary clutter. While we're in the notification settings, it's important to highlight that adjusting your email preferences here doesn't automatically stop a couple of default reports that Basecamp sends. These are the latest activity and My Assignments reports. For the latest activity emails, what you need to do is visit the latest activity page within Basecamp. Here, you can find the option to disable the daily recap emails. This adjustment ensures you won't receive a summary of all project activities every day, which can be especially helpful if you're already keeping up with project tasks in real time. As for the My Assignments report, you'll need to navigate to My Stuff, then to Assignments. From this menu, you'll have the ability to update your preferences. This step is crucial if you're looking to maintain a clean email inbox without missing deadlines on tasks specifically assigned to you. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to taking control of the emails you receive from Basecamp. By adjusting these settings, you'll find a reduction in email stress, with all the important notifications still coming through when they're most pertinent. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to better manage your Basecamp email notifications.